Parang ang sarap ng balls ko. Totoo, naramdaman ko yung tao yun. Thank you for watching with us this after your first time also all together watching with you guys. So super special to. And please, if you enjoyed it, please tell your friends, your family, your co-workers watching. May one to call you should know. Thank you so much.
Pakibat ko post about it sa social media. Alam mo naman dati may Facebook, may Instagram, tsaka meron kayong mga TikTok. Upload it na lang. Huwag yung film yung nagagalit. Ang galing-galing ng ng cast natin, pati yung director.
Yes, first time namin panoorin. And, ewan ko, parang hindi ko maiisip na ako yun. Na si Aika. Hindi ko lahat magagawa yun kung hindi dahil kay Direk. And of course, kay Marco. So,
I don't know why. I don't know how many times I've done this, but I'm like super excited right now. I hope you guys liked it. Oh, there you go. I hope you guys liked it. It was definitely challenging, probably the best project I've ever done, and I was really glad that I did it with Gino, first of all, and of course someone else in heaven, and Sally, thank you for making this story mine. Thank you everyone, thank you.
And it's time we will have our Q&A right at this moment. So I have here list of names that I will call in for the questions. But after this, kung sino pa po yung may questions sa inyo, just raise your hand and we will give you the microphone.
grabe ka ni-service niya ako dun sa kay Rose. Ayan. Tapos nung nalaman natin na meron pala siyang girlfriend, tapos narinig ko rin parang sobrang, alam mo yung narinig yung tawa, yung mga iyak na lang, or basta mga comments yung lahat, narinig namin kanina. So ako natutuwa ako personally.
Definitely, like, we just wanted to bring a story that people could relate to. And I hope, have you guys related to the movie?
Yes, Marco.
It feels good, you know, sometimes with the projects you have, you feel cringe, and mentally put out. But with this one, I'm definitely super proud of it. Really happy about it.
Okay, for the, kasi I'm just wondering, saan sila nagtapos?
Ba't pinutol sa part na yun?
May sequel to, so let's hope for the best. If it doesn't matter, I hope for the sequel. Kasi dami pa lang kwento na pwede puntahan. No? May lapse of 2 years in my future body. So, sana.
Ako alam ko kung saan sila nagkape. Doon sa Pulang Dilaw. Pulang Dilaw. Sa McDo.
Sobrang nalagyan grabe. Akala ko, kung i-release ko yung poster itself, parang nakakalight lang. But no, sobrang dami pa na talaga ng movie din. Sobrang heavy. But then, mabilis ang question. Kasi parang hanging question na yung last part. May part 2. That depends on you guys, on how much we noise and how much this gets across. As much as possible, ako ay love to the part of everything. I think marami pang pwede sa characters ko. So, ayun. Yeah. And I love that.
May title na tayo para sa part 2 kasi marami akong din mong sinulat.
Alam for Marvin. May parang naisipan, parang hindi siya scripted, parang nagtanong ka. Parang ang sarap ng balls ko. Oo, naramdaman ko yung tawag nito.
Masarap yung bolsa. Kasi siguro 20% ng script or ng buong movie, parang sila parang binibigyan niya kami ng freedom to improvise. So, basta nandun yung context, and maalala natin for the next shot. Ganun yung nangyayari. So, yes, actually, yung isa sa mga favorite scenes ko, yung kwek-kwek, kasi sobrang natural ng battle.
wow. No, it was fun. It was definitely like the fact that it gave us again like the freedom to play with the lines, and a lot of the scenes there were ad-libs in it, and I think that's what made it in a way natural, just because it was freeing and it wasn't stick to the script. Even the fight. Have you guys noticed the sweat on the Yeah, it was 3 hours long. Because of the different shots, but yeah, I love that improv kind of thing.
My last question. Paano kayo nag-prepare sa heavy scene? Grabe yun. Ang tindi doon.
I used to not do this, but then heaven taught me in a way where kapag may heavy scene kami, tapos hindi kami hindi niya talaga ako makakausap. Like, as in, she's gonna start acting mad towards me, or lagi ka lang ako nagugulat kasi, shit, ano hindi ako. May sinabi ba ako naman, tapos check yung sequence kahit mabigat. Okay, you know, alam ko na. But, yeah, definitely, we have a way how to get ourselves into that moment, and we're just, you know, she gets all closed up, ako naman, automatic meron earphones, and, you know, I would just start thinking how would it feel to lose heaven, you know, it just, that's all.
How about you, Hannah?
Ako po kasi, favorite ko yung mga heavy scenes. So, for me naman, as long as alam ko yung nangyayari, storya, doon ako nakakakuhod. Pero malaking factor din na ginagawa ko with Marco, just because kailangan namin yung isa't isa. And yung mga away na yun, parang naging tayo na, alam namin kaya namin makarelate kumbaga. And so, may makukubutan ako. Siyempre, ang ano yan is tulungan. It's about knowing na komportable kayo sa isa't isa para lumabas yung vulnerability. And I'm just so glad na I can do it with Marco, and of course with Derek at the time na sobrang patient niya sa amin. Binibigyan niya talaga kami ng panahon, kumbaga, na to get into character. Kasi, ano lang to, di ba? One take. Yes, one take lang to eh. Malaki ng shots pero one take. So,